Hi, welcome again, back again with another episode. Yeah, Mjolo Breakup Stories on Tycoonseries YouTube channel. Yep. Today, Kinalitiri, Matrisom Projan, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you, girl?
You got
Yeah, I
or
am.
hype to the stories of Mjolo. I hope until holidays.
Oh, I hope so.
So tell me, how did this thing start? Like,
You really want to go back there?
mm-hmm.
Okay. Where do I even begin? Ish. Um, it was back in, was it 2020 or 19 back then?
2019.
Yeah.
2019, I'm like,
No, so I met this guy. I was on my way from school.
mm-hmm.
So offered me a lift. Like, okay, let me take it. He drove me to my place. We talked, changed contacts, introductions, and all that. So we began talking on WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm.
He was a cool dude. Like when I saw him, I was like, oh, okay, he's just fine. Yeah, but when we were talking, he was actually my kind of person. You know, like if you have like if unali bori kinalo like I'm nang. Yeah, so unali jwalo leda. Had a height, chubby. So those are my kind of people. Lead qualities the high. He knew how to treat a lady. Like before we could date, he would do things for me. Are you good? Yeah, I'm good. Offer me lunch, dinner, all that. And then he began telling me about his undying love. Oh well. And then said, okay, let's roll. We did. Text me, good morning, babe, with those messages. Call me in the middle of the night, just so I'm still okay. In the morning, I was gone girl back then. A very, very, very good girl.
Did you guys like have okay, yeah, you did have a friendship before a relationship, right?
Well, maybe, yeah, I think we did have that kind of friendship before we could date, getting to know each other. How's this person? Would I really persuade a thing with him? Yeah.
So, were you single?
Yeah, no, I was single.
Okay.
Yeah.
Him, you're single too.
I thought he was because he told me that he was.
Okay,
Yeah.
go on.
And I believed him. You know, when somebody makes you feel loved, like your kid, you're so secured with that person. So, yeah.
So, like,
Kakalo Jola, Romanati, would go out. Well, Mr. Motuadi, groovy, and all that. But I am a grown person, so, like, baby, can I go? I said, okay, Maring Heng, yeah, I know, but I can't compromise. I get it. It's not like I'm gonna go out every day or every weekend. Okay, fine. Yeah. And then we were going, we were good. Okay, but re ka se bue bonyane ke tswe e seng totally ke se ka tswa ho hang socialize tsa ga ena batla girlfriend e sa tsweng e dulang yeah that's it like socializing like counting no he would rather be at home
but entertainer
yeah but I am more counting hey so ke ntho tsa tse ne mthabisa ke so nne ke thabiswa le ke bo tse ka zero yeah ba ke tshola ba khotsi ba ka yeah so ka mletsa ga ba neng I can make it. I can never be sent again. If I can buy a little setback about that thing, okay. So okay, hey, let's try it. You want to know how it's gonna work? Hey, okay, I try it. Hey, how about sharp? Oh, but I feel already no. This guy knows about the book. I count the little bit. And see what I do. I live baling. I'm not a soccer person, so I Nikisa we but okay, I'll try to get hey, just to be out there. Oh, okay, I believe it's fine. Nothing here Lina, I have a life alone hore ke tlameha hore ke be out there le batho ba bang sing ke dula ke na le wena. Yeah, so we were okay. Everything hana go ntse ya I get like it was kind of off.
Like how you guys were okay, like, meaning ola khutlela wa wena wa ya khobong
Hey, ke la moretso ga ka nnete ka company re buisana tjena na okay, but why bona okay mo ya okay, do as you wish.
Okay, this time around how so khutlela khobong hape ona sena di terms and conditions.
It was not groove as such, but socialize with your friends, like those kind of things. Yeah, because when I feel like all the attention, like I'm not going to come on, guys.
Yeah.
Yes. So I like a little off. I tried asking him. I cut communication.
Wait.
I cannot ask even if you don't meet me halfway. It's gotta be a two-way thing, right?
Yeah, the whole thing on and off
I think so. He was weird. Hey, okay, sharp. The calls were limited, the chats, everything was just limited.
How limited?
Spoiling and all that, it was not the same as it was before. Yeah, so okay. And I tried reaching out the hard. Maybe this time we can go ahead. Okay. Everything hang. Go se ke bona ho asa itse. Asa abuileng. Asa bua ha le ho ba ke metsitse text bo se sa tla ba bo after lunch kwala na.
Online.
Okay.
How many times?
So I felt this time we love in still one-sided. Yeah, so I can let it out. I have a miss call to baby with her. Marikana quite okay. Sharp hair. I have a time because I it's a my Kiki had this person like when you motor. So the show allow if you here high, you can go whenever you want. Okay, let me just go. Bye. But maybe it was at night. That's my.
Yeah.
No, Nikki Mureta Nikki, but this time I just didn't tell him. But Nikki Tiba, unale high. So, Kiki Mureti, Kikana Kai, but Ikabona even cat. So, I didn't. I just had some age. Okay, let me surprise him. Maybe he will be happy. Okay. Took a cab to his place here. I can that. Nearly bosibi bila tried opening with my key, but yeah, I had that. Yes. Hey, everything. Kima. Kinna. Okay,
how in details mama, of course,
yeah, baby, open up. TD, yeah. We cannot pay. So I'm like, yeah, cannot pay that. Like, so that hangata, how would hangata. How about that? Okay, so again, the track have like killing like you made
just to make sure
so this guy habuli how abula emala mati ke my ke re bue re bua kang re bue ai o batla ho yeah o batla ho tswa like re tsela ka ntle se ka kena okay ka re a hle ho abula I pushed him and told sharp hey ama ka fitela ka go mo sentse ha ke fihla
this one is
okay. Surprise on the bed. Like if you shot blankets.
Yeah.
The surprise on the bed. Hey, babe. Okay, then I get a boo. Kimang, what's going on? Okay, hey, cousin la fihla. Are o stranded kai ke mo kadime room. So okay, why are we on the bed? As how bala fati he. Ai ke ne ke mo tsitse motho a startang kore. Yeah, so
ke tlo utlwa ha bula meyako o tsa motho hana le motho a ka nna tena bo mona fela.
Oh yeah, he was actually wearing his shorts and he wasn't putting anything on.
Okay.
Like okay, they wasn't bad. So hi, so ha ke fihla ka moreng he se ke tlo hele he ka he. Surprise on the bed ke a kopola ke a tlo bona re hlike cousin. No, my cousin.
O no itse ba cousin hai?
Well, mostly all of them I knew them. Yeah, so ha ke kopola. Surprise is naked. Cousin, how do you sleep with your brother in bed naked? Well, is that what you do? The surprise is just shocked as I am. Just even crying. No, I didn't know. Go back. I was out of words. I didn't know what to do. I was like, oh, okay. I walked out.
Out living like Olatama.
Yeah, so the guy kept coming. No, I walked out. I was living. The guy kept coming behind me. Baby, I can explain. There's no need to explain. There's no need to explain. No, we're gonna talk about it. Stop lying. Why do you still go on so like yes. So I get it, but it's less like it's like eating kirasha, so shall I care what happened at Kama?
That why cable Satama?
Yeah, like Abana Cape, we took like Nakoyan, so I figured to learn Amai. Yeah. Then in hang at Amai, I went to my place, vented to my friends, like, are you serious? Yeah. Like, oh, that guy loved you. Oh, yeah. I didn't know what to do. 2019 No. It's only the other year. Yeah. So, yeah, 2019, we actually started dating around June 2019. Yeah, that time. Because we met in, is it May? Yeah, so rather than push the hair, and went into 2020. It's a hala. We're going to spend a year going to the anniversary or whatever, but they happened before the anniversary.
How did he try to call?
He tried, but I didn't answer. Okay, they keep quite easy. They keep put out, and they decide how to act. Okay, you know, take a look at the hell. Before 20 of cousins, how about hey,
highly shanu to Malishano. So I get low corner before Oya Huyen. Nente Libua, Licatale, Nene.
No,
hey,
Pasela, Honali, Toyani, Kakaring, the Offiana, Maring Larakimutake, okay, but move rate if you could.
I
think so. So, Lara has some rate, I has a cake. Not tricky, a tank or a gear. Yeah, take it off my bed. Whoa, you know, I how I know Ratamot, like Omarata, who got this person, Camarata, because Lena, we are feeling love.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, little train is low. My camera train, no, the love is not the same. Lahaka, oh, so he tried coming back and told me, okay, I'm sorry. No, it just happened. Lena, it's a night, it's wrong. Muchenu fitli fela tjena Kamaka I tshwarelo he.
But when I had in Jolo no sna dintho tse tsa go suspect gore motho motho ena ka go sa
no no this guy o na le so clean ha ke ne ke mo bona o na le so
so this whole time no na gore mohlomong ke nna problem ka gore I'm going
kana yeah ke la na hona I'm actually the problem he go Come up to that person carry actually no problem. Maybe I let him into that. But no, it's like no, I didn't let him into anything. Communication, we were supposed to talk.
Yeah.
Yes.
How
like try reach out. Yes. So after that I apologize. I apologize. Okay.
Oh, then get like Hands up kopa tshwarelo je hlong tsa tisa hlapanya motho ane ke cousin kapa o la tla a bua nnete.
No, he actually told me the truth. I said, I'm not gonna stay for my guy and all that. I got some just about like everything. But company, the other day, okay. So, let me invite her over. I'm not gonna come.
Wow.
Yeah.
So motho a tseba gore o na le motho ha invite motho to come over.
So he says
because
it was just something going through his mind. He wanted to take things off. Like,
why?
so I baby. So I tried like, okay, you forgive her, no, didn't work out. Didn't work out because I was always back there. I couldn't forget what I saw. Kore ke la nagana gore nka e feta mara ka re no la hana try go ba neneng re be sharpo. I think nna ke nna ne ke se ready for going back and all
after everything. So ya ba ka mora mo ho etsalang?
I think we should just take a break or try to wrap my mind and keep humana happy because I think I lost myself into him. Yes, kore ebe na ha kalaba off fela relationship is ba off ha ba tlo bua ha ba tlo communicate like our o batla hore be open your mametse he with an open mind o tla batla hore a thole tla bua hwa le teng hanyane teng tselong yeah come on ke kope break okay but none in the break ba hore ehlile I'm cutting things age so ha tse ke le break mo no ka bona hore ehlile I need this I don't think I'm gonna go back go ba ne le ntho ene dula e le teng then after maybe a month in a few weeks reach out and put am I still okay like can we hit things from where we left off like, geez. Are you still there? Like, are you still on that? It's like, yes, baby, I miss you and all that. It's like,
when it's done, also come cut you.
Yeah, let me work on myself. He persuaded me. I took him back.
Ha se le khutlela station sa pele mo no le monate
like instantly love no so yeah you're okay but okay but you can feel that I don't think we can work it out until I told him let's just have a civil breakup for certain tolerance we're not working and he actually understood and yeah we were okay
so the whole thing you didn't to break up
cheating I don't like being lied at cheating happy that's why you can cheat even
of my surprise
yeah
so now that Mokatile is a 2021 2020
yeah at the end of it
how do you like a kopana le motho mo a ratang jwalo ka yena o kwang gore ya ka bo hlilane that was the person man
yes ke le ka kopana le that kind of person ala jola le nna ngata yeah so inona ngokwache inele like my first la na chance ke mo still think of that and now I'm like yeah go way back Yeah,
Kapa
here and
ntse le
there,
ntho
here and
hi.
there. Hi,
Oh.
how are you?
So
So
if
what
a ka
exactly?
kgutla hape
No, I'm not gonna take him back.
Okay.
Yeah, it happened a long time ago, but they're still buds. But I'm not gonna take him back. Yeah.
But you're full healed, Hona Valley, subscribe.
Yes, I'm fully healed. So, yeah, I'm
How's the one
okay.
person? What's up? Do I like a kusa go over relationship in Modula overthink of if this guy plays an interest and again thing? Go.
No, I don't have that. Yeah.
Sorry, hell, good class to the house, a bit. So get look now. What can you say to once about Dilana Lee, the whole thing is suddenly a how kappa? Motho ha ka kopana le surprise to nne mahlo ka beteng ebe like o ka reng fela.
Oh, we're different, so I acted differently. I think Limotio would act different from what I did. Emong would stay, fight the surprise and the bed and not the boyfriend. Someone would fight them, or they would all fight and all that noise. So, I think when as a person, or just do what you think you gotta do. I get it now. I acted running. I don't want to be in that space. Someone would feel like, okay, get the surprise out so that you and I can talk. So to people who are dealing with that, I think we just gotta think it through. Don't act like I did. Maybe if I'd stayed and listened, would have been different. But it's still different even if I left. I get a change. Ha ke a lwana, ka bo etsahetse dikotsi, you know. Yes. Yeah. So through healing, I took my time, not dating. Kore, I had a whole year not dating. Yeah. Because I was so invested into this person.
Man.
Yes. Yep.
Thank you so much for sharing your story with us today. Le utlwile ba re o nagana pele o acta because once o acta pele o nagana o tlo etsa dintho tse o tlo regret-a ga o di entse. Anyways, ntse ke le Thato Mabelebele host ya rona tsatsing lena. Please follow and subscribe on our YouTube channel, Tycoonseries. Bye for today.